Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fan Cuisine. Today we're going to make some seafood feast, okay? It's going to be crazy in the kitchen, guys. And let me show you guys what I have for you guys today. I have all my vegetables. We're going to start with that. I have tomatoes and then Italian parsley, red onions, and green bell peppers, and some leek. And I have this bad boy here, very spicy, guys, okay? And I have some garlic. I have actually like 4 cloves of garlic, okay? And I have some Creole seasoning, and I have some paprika, okay? And here I have turmeric, okay? And in this cup 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And I'm going to use some flour, okay? And also here I have my asparagus, okay? And I have some lime juice, okay? And also, guys, we're going to use some chicken broth, okay? And it's 33% less sodium, okay? And also I have my flour dough, guys. Of course we have to, and whenever I'm making those type of food, guys, I have to have my dumplings, okay? So I love dumplings, okay? And here, this is my seafood I have, guys. I already cleaned them up, okay? I have mussels, and I have some crabs, okay? And here I have my scallops, and I have some shrimps, and here I have my bay leaves, okay? So let's start cooking, guys. I have my pot already warm up. I have vegetable oil in there, okay? So what we're going to do next, guys, we're going to start with our garlic, okay? Okay. All right, and what we're gonna do next. Okay, let me have my garlic cooked very nice. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Okay, now I'm going to add my onions. All my vegetables, guys. Okay. And my red pepper. Okay. Give it a stir. Smells so good, guys. So good. Okay. Now what we're going to do next, guys, before I start adding my seafood, I'm going to add my flour. Because when you add flour, guys, it makes it like a little bit of, thick. That's why you're looking for that little bit of thickness. Okay. Okay. You have to mix it up real good. Smells so good, guys. And what I'm going to do now, before I do anything else, I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay. And now let me add all my seafoods. And guys, I have to be careful with my mussels because I don't want them to, come off the shell. Okay, fix them very good. The crabs, okay, they have to go all the way to the bottom. Okay, now I'm adding my mussels. My hands are clean, guys. Okay, you have to mix it up so everybody can get it in. Okay, now my shrimps and my scallops. I'm adding my bay leaves. You know what? Let me use my hand because I don't want to add the water from the seafood. Okay. It won't take long to cook, guys, because everything already. Oh my goodness. I hope I have enough space, guys, to fit everything in. All my vegetables. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start adding all my seasoning. This is a Creole seasoning and paprika. Okay, turmeric. Okay, salt. Okay, now I'm adding my lime juice. Okay, and onion powder. Garlic powder, guys. I love garlic. Okay, some red chili pepper flakes. Okay, now I'm going to cover it up, guys, and then when we come back, oh, you know what, I have to mix everything. Okay, just do that. Okay, guys, when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's start checking on our seafoods. Okay, let me fix that. Don't worry, guys, it's not hot. I can't hold it. Okay, now I'm going to add my chicken broth. Smells so good, guys. I'm going to use all of it, guys, because I usually do my crab, like when I'm making my seafood this, guys, I usually do them in the oven, but this time I want to get all my juices or all my juice to stay in the crabs. Okay, so I want to suck the juice out when I'm eating my crabs. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just cover it up. Okay, let it do its thing, and then when we come back, we'll add our dumplings and asparagus. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our seafoods. Okay, there it is. Look at that, guys. It smells so good. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do now, guys, it's time for our dumplings. Okay, my hands are clean, guys. Don't worry. Okay, make small balls like that. See that? Or either way, you can just go like that. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, oh, just put that there. Smells so good, guys. Oh, I can't wait, guys, because seafood, oh, it's my thing. Okay, have to keep going, guys, and when we come back, everything should be ready. I have my asparagus, and then that's it. All right, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our seafood. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Oh, look at that. You see, guys, I already added all my asparagus. Okay, now everything in. Okay, so it's ready, guys. Yeah, it's ready. All I have to do now, guys, just get my plate and then start eating. And I'm going to leave everything in the pot, guys. Everything gonna stay in there. Okay, all I have to do is just get my plate and eat just little by little, and then all day long drink my soup. Oh, the sauce is so good, guys. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to just grab my plate, and then when we come back, everything should be ready to go, guys. Come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. As you can see, okay, there it is. I have my plate. Oh, before I do that, let me just, I have some fresh parsley, guys. I'm garnishing it with some fresh parsley. Okay, yep. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh. Let me get some paper. Dry my hands. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, guys, I have my plate over here. Let me, oh, it's some for me to taste, guys, of course. Get some out for me. Ah, look at that. I have some mussels and oysters. Okay, let me get more of that dumplings and some shrimp. Guys, look at that. For my mussel, guys, this is what I was telling you, guys. When you do that, all your sauce just stay in it. It's perfect. And your crab, okay, this is for me. Okay, now it's time for me. Let me clean up my plate. You see that? Yep, that's it, guys. Okay, beautiful. All right, if you guys like this recipe, guys, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, and remember to share with your family and friends. If you have any comment, please leave it down below. Okay, and make sure you give it a try, guys. It's very, very, very delicious. Now it's time for me to taste. Okay, and I have to know, guys, it's very hot. The first bite for you guys. My dumplings. Oh. Tastes so good, guys. Some asparagus. Look at that. See that? So good, guys. And spicy too. Thank you for being with me, guys. It's very delicious, guys. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.